Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Another style is here. Let's learn together. The fabric on my hand is Seiko material. As you can see, the way I placed it on my head is 50-50. Then I started taking my pleats. The fabric is not wide enough, so I'm going to take only 3 pleats because I want to use the remaining parts and close the back. Okay, so I took just 3 pleats. Then I started arranging the pleats. Watch closely what I am doing. It's very easy, you can easily grab it. So taking everything to the back this way, I cross it, then bring everything to the front. Watch closely, watch my hand, you understand what I'm doing. So now from the middle I started squeezing it out. Just raise it off from the middle, you squeeze it in, so just squeeze it in. All right, so watch closely. What I did here now is what I'm still going to do on this other side. So from the middle I squeeze it in, just push it in, then raising 2 of them up this way, I knot it. Watch closely, I knot it once and I still knot it again. If you knot once and what is left is not much, you can use pin to hold it. So I knot it 2 times, I'm still having excess. All right, so watch closely now. I tuck that 2 excess, I tuck it in. So if you don't mind, you can use pin to hold it, but I don't want to use much pin on this head wrap. All right, so watch what I'm doing now. I am done tying. What is left now is for us to arrange the head wrap. So bringing the 2 edges together, I use office pin and pin it. You watch closely, you can see our head wrap is getting ready. Very easy, very simple. All right, so what is now is just for me to use pin and pin it, then adjust the necessary part or side that needs adjustment. You can see. So if this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So please do well to press that follow on Facebook. Just follow and make sure you keep this page moving. Then on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel so that you will help me to grow. I use this opportunity also to say thank you very much to all my subscribers, the new ones and the old ones. I thank you so much. I love you all. I'm sending positive vibes. Yes, you can see the head wrap is ready, is glowing. Can't you see? It's glowing. So that is just the front view and that is it. So please do well to drop your like, your comment on the comment section, share my video to others to benefit. See you in my next video.